When did India's monsoon session of Parliament begins in 2025? 21 July. The session started on 21 July and runs until the 12th August, focusing on the Operation Sindoor, new tax bills, and other key issues. India-UK Free Trade Agreement was formally signed on 24 July 2025. The Indian-UK Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement was signed by PM Modi and UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer on July 24. According to the RBI's July bulletin, retail inflation in July 2025 stood at 2.10%. RBI's bulletin noted retail inflation at the 6-year low 2.10%, promoting a 15 bps rate cut and CRR reduction. What is the expected repo rate at RBI's August 2025 meeting according to the Reporters poll? 5.15% unchanged. Economists anticipate RBI will hold rates at 5.15% in August, with possible further cut later in year depending on data. Which Indian contingent sport earned a historic medal at the 2025 Rennes World University Games? Badminton. So India won its first ever badminton medal of bronze at the World University Games held from 16 to 27 July. The CRPF deployed commands to which country to secure the Indian embassy in that period? Libya. After reopening, India's embassy in Tripoli is to be secured by CRPF commandos being redeployed to Libya. With satellite launch on 13 July is a NASA-ISRO civil partnership for Earth monitoring. NISAR. NISAR, equipment with SAR sensor, will map Earth, land and ice every 12 days and aid disaster management. Which issue did India raise with a UK before PM Modi's visit on 23 July? Khalistani extremist activities. India flagged concern over the Khalistani extremist groups during the preparatory diplomacy with the UK. Who resigned as the Vice President of India on 21 July 2025? Jagdeep Dhanashankar. Dhanashankar's resignation on 21 July led to vacating of the Vice President official residence. India's shares of yes votes at the event dipped to its lowest in 2025 at India's yes votes fell to 56%, lowest since 1955, with abstentions at 44%, reflecting a strategic foreign policy shift. Guys, thank you for watching the videos and please like, share, subscribe the channel for more current affair videos. Thank you.